What if Willy Wonka crafted a chandelier? Would it be deserving of a spot in his candy emporium? Today we're creating a Wonka bar masterpiece made entirely from scrap that wouldn't look out of place in Wonka's chocolate factory or an art museum. Our journey begins with a late-night scavenge for materials, where the artisan embarks on a mission to collect discarded glass and plastic. An essential step towards sustainability in this chandelier's creation, given that we are building this chandelier from recycled materials. Every piece of glass and plastic collected is a step towards transforming what was once waste into a work of art. The collected plastic bottles, after being cleaned and prepared, find a new purpose as they're carefully placed into a 3D printer, initiating the next phase of this innovative process. While the recycled plastic 3D components are printing, the artisan turns their attention to the plaster molds. This is done by cutting and folding sheets of plastic into a chandelier crystal shape with a facet pattern in it. Hot wax is poured into each plastic pattern, which now cooled you can see here. Afterwards, it is then put into a plaster and silica powder mold, ready to create the molds that will hold the melted glass. Once cured, the wax is removed, cleaned, dried, and ready to be used to create more molds. The plaster molds are put into the oven to harden and ensure their strength, ready to house the recycled beer bottle glass. Some of the glass bottles are cut into manageable chunks, meticulously tailored to fit the molds, setting the foundation for the intricate design. A critical step in the process involves precisely timing the glass in the microwave for 23 minutes, a delicate balance that enhances the glass's structure. This moment in the microwave is crucial, preparing the glass for its transformation into stunning chandelier pieces. Once the glass has set and taken shape, it's carefully removed from the molds, unveiling the potential of the recycled material. Following this, the glass undergoes meticulous filing and polishing, each stage enhancing its clarity and brilliance. With precise grit strength, the glass is filed down, reaching optical clarity, ready to catch and reflect light while resembling a Willy Wonka chocolate bar. A mixture of water and cerium oxide is used to coat the sanding wheel. Doing so helps polish the glass. Bottle tops are cut, cleaned, and polished ready for their new life within the chandelier. Holes are then skillfully drilled into the glass bits, a strategic step for the chandelier's assembly. In parallel, the artisan 3D prints the arms of the chandelier using the recycled plastic filaments, marrying innovation with sustainability. They are then spray painted to match the aesthetic of the chandelier. Finally, wires are intertwined, pieces threaded, and the chandelier begins to come to life. Now let's see our final result. Speechless. A Willy Wonka marvel I'm sure he'd be proud to showcase in his factory. An intricate dance of creativity and precision is evident in this chandelier's reveal. Thanks for watching.